Have you ever said to yourself, I wish I could take my hairstylist home with me? Have you tried to recreate in-salon looks with little to no success, only to feel lost and confused? Or maybe you're just looking for new inspiration and want to learn more. I'm Krystina Indigo Your, your how-to hairstylist, and here I share with you the best ways to create in-salon looks with confidence and ease. I have been running my hands through my hair all day and it could just use a little bit of a refresh pick-me-up. So I'm going to be using Awapuhi Wild Ginger Dry Shampoo Foam to just give my freshly blow-dried hair an extended day to feel like I just washed it. That little bit of refresh that it needs on day 2. This is going to be a lightweight foam that's going to help absorb some of the oils in my hair without leaving that chalky residue.